So, Christmas presents are done. Time to come back to the garage and work on some projects here. But as time passes, garages tend to collect stuff. Broken stuff, too. This trouble light is not retracting. So we got to move all this stuff. Got to put it someplace, organize it, get it out of the way. And what's under the tarp, that's another project. Don't think I want to be outside today. It's cold, snowy. I've already done my duty and removed the snow from the driveway. I'm done with the outside for today. So what are we going to do? Let's fix this trouble light for a start. I'll show you what's wrong. You pull it down. Doesn't go back up, and when it does go up, it doesn't go all the way up. So over time the spring on the inside has gotten weak. See, it just doesn't pull the cord all the way up. So what we got to do is get it off the ceiling. Simple matter, it's just a pin. Just pull the pin out and we'll take it over the workbench and we'll take it apart. Now I like this power drill, but in this case the screws were really weak. I ended up stripping out all the heads and having to replace all those screws with 1032 bolts. Now I'm not sure what to expect, so I don't want our spring to come flying apart. So we'll look closely when we open this up. Okay, the spring is internal. It's inside the reel. You can't see it. All you can see is the ratchet. And the end of the shaft is keyed. And it keys into the side of this plate. So we got to drop it right in. And now it's keyed in. We'll put the washer and the screw back in. And that way we can wind the spring tight and not have it come undone on us. And I just ruined the first screw. These screws just strip, like all you had to do is look at them. So now the reel and the spring are keyed into the housing, and what I can do is I can pull the cord out and I'm tightening the spring, and I'm coming up against the ratchet and making sure it's locked so it won't unwind on me. And now I'm going to wrap the wire around the reel without using the spring. I'm not releasing the tension in the spring. So it turned out it was just easier to turn the whole case. So now we have much more preload on the spring inside the reel. Put this thing back together, and like I said, I ended up using 1032 bolts. I took out the Phillips. Right here I'm removing a Phillips, and I'll replace it with the 1032 bolt. Okay, now they're all nice and tight. Let's make sure the light still works. Yep, comes on. And now let's check the reel. Be easier to unplug it. Now the cord is dragging over the edge of the workbench here, so it doesn't retract all the way. And I decided to turn it on its edge and try it again. And to me it showed signs that it would pull the cord all the way back in. I don't want to go too tight, so we'll just put this back up on the ceiling. This is not too much work. And see if it works. Just a pin that slides through. Plug it in. Light goes on, that's a good sign. Let's pull it down and see if it'll retract. Yep, guess it does. If you like this video, found it informative, please click the like, the thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.